Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, it is the 8th day of July. Time as I make this is 4:23 a.m., and we just got word from the National Hurricane Center at the top of the hour at 4 a.m. that Hurricane Beryl has made landfall, and that was near Matagorda Bay, Texas, near the central coast, south of Freeport, south of Galveston, and the Houston area. But those areas, all of those areas in Texas are going to be severely affected. The top winds were 80 miles per hour at landfall, but winds have already gusted to 89 miles per hour at Palacios, and the storm was in the midst of a rapid intensification cycle, but it ran out of room, and as it came into land. So in other words, had it had a few more hours of open sea, it could have been far worse. One of the biggest things, forget the wind, is the storm surge, and I think the biggest story of this storm will be the prolific rainfall, over a foot in some areas, inland flooding. And wait till you see the track of this thing over the next few days. They've got the track going all the way into western Ohio over the next few days. Unbelievable. So that's the story of Beryl, the first hurricane to make impact in the United States in 2024, a season we expect to be crazy. Okay, let's talk about our weather. Yesterday, the heat index in Montgomery got to 108 yesterday. Again, we've had a heat index now since, I think this is day 7 or 8. I've actually miscounted here. I think it started last Monday, so this would be, a week of heat advisories. And the heat index today will be over 105 again. We've been in the mid-90s each day. I think we'll be in the mid-90s today, tomorrow, and most days this week with triple-digit heat indices, and the same story every day. Scattered, random, hit or miss, showers and storms, some of which can put on quite a show. We saw that last night with prolific lightning and some very heavy rainfall totals. I know some of you are frustrated. You keep hearing about all this heavy rain nearby you, but you haven't had enough at your house. I understand your frustration. That it doesn't mean anything about your town. Why does our town not get the rain? It has nothing to do with your location. Nothing to do at all. It's luck, and that's all it is. All right, so today there will be more storms, most numerous, and especially in the late afternoon and into the evening hours tonight. You'll see that on future radar. Otherwise, no day-to-day change and nothing else out in the tropics right now to watch, but we know that will change. It comes in cycles, all right? All right, this morning everything is normal. I hope you had a good 4th of July weekend. We had a few days off. Today we're live on the radio again from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. There'll be another update for you in the 4 o'clock hour tomorrow morning, and including your forecast discussion, which is what this is. If you're watching on YouTube, there's instructions on how to see our blog with all the great graphics on our website, on Facebook, on what I still call Twitter, and also on our weather app. I hope you have a great day today. Our hearts go out to the people in Texas who are going to have a horrendous day today. And power outages are now mounting. I'll see you later. Have a good one.
Rich Thomas Weather.